Click on the link below to get price. The KouRy 5600 ml air dehumidifier impresses with its efficient design and dual functionality as an air purifier. This device is ideal for those living in humid climates or areas prone to dampness, as its dehumidification capabilities work wonders in reducing moisture levels, thereby preventing mold growth and enhancing overall air quality. One of the standout features is the True HEPA filter, which effectively captures 97% of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and even certain types of bacteria. This makes it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers or anyone looking to improve indoor air quality. The combination of dehumidifying and air purifying functions means that users can enjoy cleaner, drier air in their homes, which is particularly beneficial for bedrooms and living spaces. The unit's 5600 ml capacity allows it to run for extended periods without frequent emptying, making it convenient for continuous use. The automatic shutoff feature when the water tank is full adds an extra layer of safety, preventing overflow and damage to the device. In terms of usability, the KouRy Air Dehumidifier features a user-friendly interface with easy-to-read controls. It operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for those who are sensitive to noise or planning to use it in a sleeping area. The sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into various home decors, making it a practical addition to any room. Another notable aspect is its energy efficiency. This dehumidifier consumes minimal power while delivering outstanding performance, which can lead to lower electricity bills over time. Overall, the KouRy 5600 ml air dehumidifier with air purifying function stands out for its powerful dual-action capabilities, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features. It is an excellent investment for improving indoor air quality and creating a healthier living environment. With its combination of effective dehumidification and air purification, it is a top contender in its category, making it a worthy addition to any household.